Samsung Galaxy Note 7 phone started a fire that torched his beloved Jeep.
We use our phones every single day. Nobody ever thinks something like this could cause so much damage, but that's what we're seeing. This is a major problem for Samsung. It's a major problem for Samsung Note owners.
The problem with Samsung's batteries is not limited to the Note 7. Remember last month, a different Samsung phone, a Galaxy Core, caught fire in the hands of a 6-year-old boy in New York while he was just playing a game on the phone. But Samsung has not issued a recall for any other Galaxy models.
All your worries be gone, don't need to think, all your problems are solved. We are all there, ready for you, get the right education needed at school. If you're sick, there's no need to worry, you can get treated, not far, so hurry. No need to stress, cause health has arrived. Be happy, you get Samsung Care Drive. Samsung Naram Village have showed the way. Medical education support all okay. Trust in us, we are always ready. Samsung will make sure everyone's happy. Let you shine, let us smile. Samsung will always be there. Global harmony with people, society, and environment. Samsung.
The biopharmaceutical arm of Samsung Group, Samsung Biologics, has been found to have breached accounting standards and inflated its profits. As a result, trading of the company shares on Korea's benchmark Kospi has been immediately suspended. The company had intentionally inflated its profits back in 2015. Meanwhile, Samsung Biologics denied any wrongdoing, saying it reflected different accounting standards in the event its listed joint venture, Samsung Biotis, exercised its call option.
The biopharmaceutical arm of Samsung Group, Samsung Biologics, has filed an administrative lawsuit against South Korea's financial regulator over its recent ruling on the firm's accounting violations. Samsung Biologics also said on Wednesday that it asked the Seoul Administrative Court to nullify the Financial Services Commission's disciplinary actions. Now, those actions include a fine of around $7 million and recommending its CEO to be. The company says it will prove the legitimacy of its accounting management through the lawsuit.